Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can create a logo on different niches. So it is very premium skill you can learn easily and sometimes in Canva. So you can sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms, and also you can sell this skill on offline market, or you can go to Facebook pages or websites related to your niche and ask them about your services, so they will surely hire you. So in today's video I will teach you about how you can create a cosmetic company logo, and our company name is Jenny Cosmetics. So let's start. So I am on Canva. If you don't know about canva.com, canva.com is one of the best graphic designing software available online. It is very easy and handy to use. So if you want to know complete about Canva, then go to my channel and tech and go to the playlist section. Here I upload a complete playlist on Canva designing. After watching the series, I surely say that you know almost everything about Canva. So I'm click on create a design. Here I search for logo, and 500 by 500 pixels, most widely used pixels, and I go to elements. Here I search for cosmetics, and let's go. We have to choose one of the template, and I think I like this one, but no. Yeah, it's look good. So I click on this, and after that I write a text here which is called Jenny Cosmetics. Ignore the spellings, and let's change some font style. And white background is good. So that's it. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.